Crypto trading, the AI revolution. The world of cryptocurrency trading is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and artificial intelligence, AI, is at the forefront of this transformation. From predictive analytics to automated trading bots, AI is reshaping how traders analyze markets, execute trades, and manage risks. As the crypto market grows increasingly complex, AI-powered tools are becoming essential for both retail and institutional investors. How AI is revolutionizing crypto trading. 1. Predictive market analysis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of historical and real-time data to identify patterns and predict price movements. Machine learning models process news sentiment, social media trends, and on-chain data to forecast market trends with higher accuracy than traditional methods. 2. Automated trading bots. AI-powered trading bots execute trades 24/7 without human intervention. These bots use strategies like arbitrage, market making, and trend following to capitalize on opportunities faster than manual traders. Advanced bots adapt to changing market conditions, optimizing performance over time. 3. Sentiment analysis. AI scans social media, news articles, and forums to gauge market sentiment. By understanding whether the crowd is bullish or bearish, traders can make more informed decisions. Natural language processing, NLP, helps interpret qualitative data, providing insights into potential price swings. 4. Risk management and fraud detection. AI enhances risk management by detecting anomalies and potential scams in real time. Fraud detection models analyze transaction patterns to identify suspicious activity, protecting traders from pump-and-dump schemes and phishing attacks. 5. Personalized trading strategies. AI-driven platforms offer customized trading strategies based on individual risk tolerance and investment goals. By learning from past trades, AI can suggest optimal entry and exit points, improving profitability. Challenges of AI in crypto trading. Despite its advantages, AI-powered crypto trading faces challenges. Market volatility, rapid price swings can disrupt AI models. Data quality, AI relies on accurate data, misinformation can lead to poor predictions. Regulatory uncertainty, governments are still defining AI and crypto regulations, creating compliance risks. The future of AI in crypto trading. As AI technology advances, we can expect more sophisticated deep learning models for price prediction. Decentralized AI trading platforms that operate on blockchain. Integration with DeFi for smarter yield farming and liquidity management. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing crypto trading by improving efficiency, accuracy, and security. While challenges remain, the synergy between AI and blockchain technology promises a smarter, faster, and more adaptive trading landscape. Traders who embrace AI-powered tools will likely gain a competitive edge in this rapidly evolving market. Thanks for watching.